How to create spatial wallpaper on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. On this page, you can choose to add a new wallpaper, customize existing ones, or select from preset options. Tap on Add New Wallpaper. Then, tap on Photos from the options at the top. Select the photo you want from here and then tap on the spatial scene icon as shown. As you can see, you can now preview the spatial scene effect. Once you're done, tap on Add Above. And then, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily create spatial wallpaper on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.